What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the garage. Welcome back to a new video. In this one, we have a 2001 Harley Davidson Night Train in need of a little bit of a facelift. We're gonna do 12-inch mini apes. We're gonna do new risers, grips, pegs. We're gonna get the seat reupholstered. We're gonna go through the whole bike and get it looking a little different. I'll give you a quick view. Here she is in all her glory. We're gonna do pipes, get the seats reupholstered, do a diamond stitch on those. We're gonna do some 12-inch apes, 2-inch risers. We did a new front tire already. That was quick because I had to get it home. Grips, mirrors, probably levers, exhaust. It's actually a pretty cool bike. It was built a long time ago. They went with that Exile rear tire on there. It was cool for 20 years ago. We got to make it look cool now. Let's jump in. Here he is, the owner of the bike. Oh, yeah. Ready to get to work, buddy?
Hell yeah.
Absolutely.
Nitro all night. We rock, we rock.
Okay.
We rock, we rock.
With who?
We rock with the flop.
With who?
We rock with the flop.
Okay.
We rock,
We rock.
we rock.
I said we rock.
We rock,
We rock.
we rock,
We rock.
we rock, we rock, we rock, we rock. We flying up, we taking off. 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 I'm flying, we winning. I'm flying, we winning. I'm flying, we winning. I'm flying, we winning. We flying up and we taking off on the runway and we peeling off. I paid the cost trying to be the boss. In first class is where we all talk. Now Mexico know about the flow. They found it first and now the rest know. It was Cinco under Mayo that my open house opened all them doors. Now Germany had never heard of me and now we on fire like a third degree. And my song cut like a surgery. Black, red, yellow, it's superb to me. Brazil, no, we get ill. It's all love. You got to chill. My beats bang on a red pill. They got my back. You know the deal. Hold up. Whoa. Yeah, hold up, whoa, so what you say? We flying up, we taking off. 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 I'm flying, we winning. I'm flying, we winning. I'm flying, we winning. I'm flying, we winning. We rock, we rock.
Okay.
We rock, we rock.
With who?
Morocco in another land, wanna see me the DJ in a band. Finland know that I can, they heard it from my people in England. Now India and Turkey, know we flying high where the birds be. So high, so high, so high that I can't see. Now we on our way out to Ukraine, they know my name cause of the rap game. They go insane when I do my thing, these 5 elements will never be the same. Now Russia and then bust ya right in your mouth and then cuss ya. Smooth out, that's what I'm about, and I ain't gotta try to do it just to get some clout. Hold up, whoa. Yeah, hold up, whoa, so what you say? We flying up, we taking off. 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 Hong Kong said I got it going on. Tokyo said nitro. Costa Rica said nice flow. Argentina said let's go. Hong Kong said I got it going on. Tokyo said nitro. Costa Rica said nice flow. Argentina said let's go. Hold up, whoa, yeah, hold up. Whoa, so what you say? We flying up, we taking off. 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 Italy, they was feeling me. And France said, do your dance. Iraq and Iran, they like it when I do it cause that's the jam. Yeah, that's the jam. Yeah, that's the jam. Iraq and Iran, they like it when I do it cause that's the jam. Look at me, take a picture, it'll last longer. The mirror on the wall say I'm getting stronger. Ayo, the mirror don't lie. Ayo, the mirror don't lie. Look at me, take a picture, it'll last longer. The mirror on the wall say I'm getting stronger. Ayo, the mirror don't lie. If you want the truth, don't close your eyes. We got our back against the wall, we gotta fight back. I need a theme song, this the right track. ain't got no cape or no superpowers. Just confidence and self-esteem, the world is ours. I believed in me when nobody didn't. This ain't no freestyle, just some facts that's written. Come on, let's hear it for the boy. He bringing pain at the same time, joy. I bob and weave through the crowd, so untouchable. At first they hate, then they loving you. It's a crazy cycle, but I'm going through it. I wish I was lying, that's why I show and prove it. I'm destined to be one of the best to do it. I ain't saying I'm the GOAT, but I'm closer to it. I should get a statue in the front yard. Man, I'm shooting up my stats like a shooting guard. Look at me, take a picture, it'll last longer. The mirror on the wall say I'm getting stronger. Ayo, the mirror don't lie. Ayo, the mirror don't lie. Look at me, take a picture, it'll last longer. The mirror on the wall say I'm getting stronger. Ayo, the mirror don't lie. If you want the truth, don't close your eyes. I'll give it to you in 3D or even play by play. I'm your guest announcer, are you here today? Yo, let me get a show of hands if you rockin' with me. Ain't no stopping us now, we bout to bounce quickly. I'm about to start a movement, put your fist up. Everything all black from the wrist up, yeah. Leather gloves, no prints, what? We about to dip, deep cut, yeah. Now bring it back like a boomerang. Who that man, do that thing, coming through like Buddha Bang. Setting booby traps for girls and goofy cats. Hog tied and handcuffed through in the back. Zip locked and sealed up and tossed away.
Alright guys, it is ripped down. I don't know when the battery died on the other phone, but this is her completely stripped.
Ready for some bars?
Yep, we're gonna get the risers on right now. We're gonna put the bars on, mock everything up, and then take my sweet ass time wire and everything. So let's mock them up and see what it looks like. Sweet.
Now, these grips, how do these grips stay on?
So one of
There's like
them,
no set screws, there's nothing.
this one gets locked in by that,
Yeah.
and then
This is the throttle cable.
that's the throttle, so that's gonna get locked in by the throttle cables.
Oh, okay.
So that's gonna have that race there, and this one's gonna get locked in underneath the. Those are Harley Davidson grips.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty
So
cool,
they're gonna.
right?
Yeah, those are really nice.
I like them.
They'll complement it really well.
Yeah. I was debating going back and forth.
Yeah.
On two different kinds. I was gonna get they have the really G ones,
Oh, okay.
but they kind of look a little chintzy.
Yeah, a little cheap.
Chachi, yeah.
Yeah. No, those look really nice and clean.
Yeah.
Sometimes simpler is more.
Yeah.
You know, less is more kind of deal.
That's why I don't need like a colored grip or cool peg. Like the
No.
bike kind of speaks for itself already.
No. I mean, if you were building the whole thing and you want to do like black and gold
Yeah.
or black and
Yeah.
copper,
I thought
brass.
about doing that second color, but it would
Yeah.
just be like I would want to do too much.
It'd be too much.
Yeah.
That's why when guys do that stuff, they do just like very minimal.
Yeah. I would love black and gold.
Yeah,
Black
that'd be
and
cool.
gold is sick.
Dude, so when we put these back on the bike,
Yep.
we're gonna have to see. You can't get the bolt in there. So I'm gonna have to put them on the handlebars first,
And then
and then put the handle. Yeah, because that's kind of crazy. Even to mock it up, I have to do that. I just noticed it. That's where it's gonna suck, dude, because I gotta cut the ends of the wires, snake them through the bars, and extend them. It's
brutal.
it's just time consuming. I don't mind it though. I just sit there, put the music
Is it a
on.
pain in the ass, or is it just
Well, what I do is I use a piece of yarn
like a pull
and I
system?
shoot it. Yeah, I shoot it through the
Yeah.
yarn, and then pull all the wire through in one shot,
Yeah.
and then hopefully I can extend just this end and leave the long piece inside the bars and not have to worry about it.
Okay. Yeah.
Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't.
Oh man.
Yeah, it looks crazy. Looks crazy. For sure. Dude, those bars complement that rear end now.
Dude, it's mean.
Different bike.
These match up perfectly to the forks too. It's like
Yeah, same width.
perfect, like exact same way.
Dude, that looks so freaking
It
mean
looks so
now.
much better.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, no front fender.
That dude, it looks nice like that, but when you're riding in the rain,
Yeah.
you can't. It's dude, it'll cover you.
Yeah, that's almost.
Yeah, put your foot on there. There you go. Don't rub too much, but is that would it end up having to go towards you more?
No, I don't think so.
That's it.
It looks. I mean, well, I might we'll have to
First shot.
might have to feel it out.
Yeah, of course.
But
when the grips are on and all
Yeah.
that stuff.
Get my other foot up on there.
Yeah, just stack and put your boot right on that thing. There you go.
Yeah, I mean, that feels pretty good right there, no?
Yeah, that's perfect. It's
Yeah.
a completely different feel of the
Yeah,
bike now,
it
right?
really
Instead of
is.
being down here.
Yeah. I didn't even like it when it was.
No,
I didn't.
it doesn't feel right.
Yeah, no.
And and the bars are lower than your shoulders.
Yep.
So they're just like, yeah, you're not
So
going to
you'd
get
be
any
able to
shoulder
like
pain.
rock it forward or
If you
back.
had to, we can leave them a tiny bit loose and then just tighten these two because it's going to be hard to get an Allen key in this back one.
Yeah.
Maybe even the front one. I don't know.
And then you could just like push them a little forward and I'll be like up a little bit more.
Yeah,
kinda.
if you had to. But you want your elbows to break a little bit. You don't want them straight out because that's
Yeah.
going to be,
They're almost straight out right now.
it's going to be, that'll start being uncomfortable.
Yeah.
You kind of,
Want a little bend in them.
a little bit. But I think
I kind of want it to.
and it is right now. It's,
Yeah.
It's
I think
following
I'll
pretty well.
sacrifice a little bit of comfort for right now. Just I could always.
Yeah.
It might be a pain.
I just don't know about. You know what I do is cut the Allen key.
Oh, really?
Cut an
small.
Allen key. Yeah, I'll cut it so I can just hook it in there
Yep.
and then loosen it if we had to.
Yeah, but no, I think this is. I think I'll do this for right now. Right, lined up with the fork.
Know about your future, but it's bad today. I'm a prophet and a guru and the rap police. You in the belly of the beats, masterpiece. Look at me, take a picture, it'll last longer. The mirror on the wall say I'm getting stronger. Hey yo, the mirror don't lie. Hey yo, the mirror don't lie. Look at me, take a picture, it'll last longer. The mirror on the wall say I'm getting stronger. Hey yo, the mirror don't lie. If you want the truth, don't close your eyes.
So that's going to be a wrap for this one. We did a pretty decent job of making a mess of this bike. It looks like holy hell right now. I'm going to drop the seat off at the upholsterer, and I'm going to get busy wiring up these handlebars. The next episode, we'll get back into assembly. Please stay tuned, like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Later.